Hey everyone! We all want to persuade, whether it's asking for a raise, rallying friends to help you move, or just getting your toddler to eat broccoli. But nobody wants to feel like a sleazy salesperson. Today I'll share 6 proven persuasion principles and exactly how to use them ethically so you get what you want and keep your integrity intact. Hack number 1, reciprocity. Ever notice how when someone treats you to coffee, you get that warm "I owe you" buzz? That's not just manners, it's a deep social instinct. Humans are wired to return favors because it keeps relationships strong and communities running smoothly. So, when you offer genuine value like sharing an insightful article or lending a hand, you're not just being nice, you're tapping into a powerful social glue. Hack number 2, commitment and consistency. Here's a secret. Once we say yes to something small, we're wired to stick with it. It's all about keeping our actions in line with our self-image. Nobody likes feeling inconsistent. Say yes to a small ask, a quick survey checkbox, and you're far more likely to say yes to the big one. Start with micro asks and watch people champion your bigger ideas. Because once they commit, they'll stick to their word. Hack number 3, social proof. We're social creatures. When we're unsure, we look to others for cues on what's right. That's why a line outside an ice cream shop makes us think it must be amazing. Join 1,000 happy users or share testimonials and you'll instantly boost your credibility. Hack number 4, liking. We help people we like, those who share our quirks or give sincere compliments. Build genuine rapport, ask about their weekend hobby or favorite show, and they'll root for your success. Hack number 5, authority. We defer to experts. Titles and credentials prime our trust. Don't be shy about mentioning your background or sharing a quick success story. When you show your expertise, people feel confident following your lead. Hack number 6, scarcity. When something's rare or time-limited, it suddenly feels way more valuable. That's our fear of missing out kicking in. But keep it real, highlight true opportunities. Like when a brand drops a limited edition product collaboration that may never return, or when you announce there are only a handful of seats left for your workshop this month. These genuine limits spark action because everyone wants to grab their chance before it's gone. Let's lock it in with your influence quick guide. Here's your cheat sheet for ethical persuasion. 1. Reciprocity. Give first. Generosity opens doors. 2. Commitment and consistency. Start small, tiny yeses lead to big wins. 3. Social proof. Show the crowd, people follow the pack. 4. Liking. Be relatable, connection builds trust. 5. Authority. Share your expertise, credibility counts. 6. Scarcity. Highlight what's limited, urgency inspires action. Use these wisely, and you'll influence with confidence and integrity. There you go. 6 ethical mind hacks with a side of humor. Which one will you try? Share in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more integrity-driven tips. Thanks for watching. Now go influence the world the right way.